Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to check your private relay email, or Hide My Email, on your iPhone. Before we get started, it's worth noting that Hide My Email is only available with an iCloud Plus subscription. Okay, let's jump right in. First, we need to go into the Settings application on your iPhone. Then, find your name at the top of the screen and tap on it. Next, you'll want to find and tap on iCloud. After that, scroll all the way down to the bottom until you see iCloud Plus features. Tap on that. Here, you should see the Hide My Email option. Go ahead and tap on that as well. After a few seconds, this will display a list of all the Hide My Email addresses you've created. As you can see, I have one listed here. If I tap on it, I can see more options. Here you can see where this email address was created, in the Safari browser on boots.com, and I've added a note for newsletters, because I use this email to sign up for newsletters from that website. Near the top, you'll see the Hide My Email address. This is the address where emails will initially be sent. However, they will then be forwarded to your actual email address. In this example, it's my Gmail address. Now, the email address it forwards to will be the one you use to sign into your iCloud account on your iPhone. If you want to deactivate this email address so you no longer receive emails from it, tap on Deactivate Email Address, and then confirm by selecting Deactivate in the pop-up menu. If you want to create a new private email address to forward emails from, tap on Create New Address. Here, you can choose which address you'd like to use by clicking on the Use Different Address button. Then you'll want to give it a label. For this example, I'm going to call it Burner. Once you're ready, tap on Next, and then Done. Now you can use this new email address to forward emails to your primary email address. And that's it. So, if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Rome tips. Thanks for watching.